Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and navigating to the page you need to inspect. Once the page is loaded, make sure no dialogues or full screen overlays block input, because those can intercept shortcuts. Now take a quick look at the right side of the address bar. This prepares you for a click-based option. If you prefer keys, use a shortcut in the next step. This gets you into the tool quickly, so you can inspect and debug without delay. You have two reliable paths, keyboard or menu. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus I on Windows or Linux, or CMD plus Option plus I on a Mac, and Chrome will open developer tools immediately. If you prefer the mouse, click the three-dot menu, choose More Tools, then Developer Tools. This gives the same panels. Once open, make sure to switch to Elements, Console, or Network depending on what you need. Use the device toolbar for responsive checks. You can now inspect specific parts by right-clicking an element and choosing Inspect. This jumps the Elements panel to that node. When you finish, close Developer Tools with the same shortcut or click the X in the drawer. If DevTools fails to open, make sure extensions aren't interfering, disable them temporarily and try again, or restart Chrome to clear transient issues. If problems persist, restart your computer. That often fixes stuck processes and restores normal tool behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.